Hey everybody, I'm Yolanda. This is How to Cake It, but this week there's no cake. This week we're playing the How to Cake It Year in Review game show. There are questions that need answering.
I'm getting a turkey leg in the face.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is my turkey lit up?
Yeah, it is.
Good. I only wear a lit up
Lit
turkey.
me up a little bit.
This turkey is lit. Yes, there are questions and they need answering. So I'm gonna ask the questions and you three are gonna answer. Everyone, this is Shelly, our content manager. You don't see her, but you're seeing her now. This is Cody. Sometimes you see him eating some cakes,
Yes.
you know? And then of course, the How to Cake It hottie, Orhan, is here.
I don't feel very happy with the thing that you put on my head.
So Orhan is feeling insecure because this is actually an extremely colorful outfit for him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Red is the new black.
No, it's not.
Okay. So I am gonna ask the questions and these guys and this lady will have 15 seconds to write down their answer. I'm going to use my oven timer. And guys, while we play at home, write down your answers and see how many you get right. So let's get started. What is the square root? No. First question. What was my favorite cake this year? And go. Oh, I heard writing, but I don't. All right. Shelly.
I thought it was Lego.
Cody.
I just remember this being my favorite cake, and I think it might possibly be yours too. Remember with Juice Box?
Juice Box. Orhan.
I think it was the ice cream one. I can't remember.
Just the general ice cream one?
Yeah.
The good news is you're all wrong. Do you have a second guess? Anyone?
I need to see the cakes. Can we see the cakes? Can I look at them? Santa, Rice Krispie, giant cake piece. Oh, bread. It's probably bread. Or fruits. Hostess.
Second.
Okay, no, I'm going with fruits. I'm going with fruits.
Okay. Orhan wins.
There we go.
It's fruits. That was on my list for a long time. I also love citrus fruits and the smell of citrus. So it was fruits. If you guys haven't checked out my citrus fruit cakes, then check it out. It was actually one of the most watched videos this year.
So they liked it too?
Yes, people like vitamin C. Which cake used the most pounds of batter this year? Go! You better start writing with that red pen. One.
No, that's the wrong answer.
Shelly.
Lasagna?
Floral cured?
I wrote chimney. I know it's the wrong answer.
The heaviest cake this year was the cupcake piñata. I used 30 pounds of batter. 16 pounds of chocolate cake and 14 pounds of vanilla cake. How can you get access to new cakes before anyone else? Go! You all better know this. I'll be very upset. Cody, finish writing first. Oh, guys, before the timer went. Shelly.
Join the VIP list.
VIP.
Orhan. That's actually super smart. I can't lie. You'd actually have to take Cody's job if you wanted the first access. Otherwise, everyone else can sign up to be a VIP at howtocakeit.com and you get a first look at the cake and some other fun behind the scenes stuff with that. What flavor of juice was in my juice box cake? I'm gonna give double points to the person who actually gets the correct name. Okay, Shelly.
It was wacky watermelon.
Cody.
It was wacky watermelon. I put Walter Melon though.
Okay. And Orhan? Watermelon wacko juice. That has a ring to it. I actually want to go back and remake that cake. Shelly gets it. She gets double points. What color was the slime in all three of my Halloween character cakes? There was Frankenstein, a mummy, and a black cat. Caramel slime. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm going to lessen the time for the rest of the questions. Shelly.
Pretty sure I got this one.
Black, orange, and green. Cody.
Black, green, and then you just left one regular.
Black, yellow, and green. I wanted to dye the caramel yellow, but because it was deeper, when I added the yellow, it actually turned orange.
But it ended up in caramel color.
It just ended up being a deeper orangey caramel. So then you all get the point?
No, I think those two should get the point.
Oh, wow. Look at you in this Christmas spirit. Okay, so the two of you get a point. How many fruits did I make in my citrus fruit cakes video? Shelly?
That says 4.
4.
4.
4. Orhan. Oh, what's
34?
34? 43.
No, it's a 4. At the end, I found the right answer.
Okay, so you all get a point. What did I write on the brim of my straw hat?
Oh, I know it.
Boy.
I can.
No.
Okay, Shelly.
Take me away.
Yes, that's what.
Cody.
She's right. I put it instead of me.
Cake it away. And Orhan, I wrote nothing?
Yeah.
Oh, Shelly's right. Shelly gets the point. Which cake on our step-by-step channel is my favorite? Step by step, ooh baby, your time's almost up.
I think I remember you saying something about liking this.
Ramen?
The donut tree. I thought it said the don't tree. I was like, what's a don't tree? Okay, I love all of the cakes on How to Cake It Step by Step. They're all amazing and they're all talented, but I really like Shannon's Harry Potter sorting hat. Everybody always requests Harry Potter on this channel, and I get frustrated because I'm not a Harry Potter like super fan, so I kind of feel like that cake rescued me. If you guys haven't seen that cake, I'll put a link below. It's really good, and there's a ton of other really great cakes over on How to Cake It Step by Step. So while you're there, subscribe. You know what to do. It's been 4 years.
Can I take this off now? My head is warm.
No. How do you think Santa feels? He goes around the world in that hat. What food did I cake on the inside of my Chinese takeout box?
What do you mean, what food?
What food was in it? You have 2 seconds.
Rice.
But it was fried rice.
Oh. What? Chinese takeout. So I've got to give it to Cody.
Okay.
Yes, I haven't stepped out of the ring yet. My comeback is here.
Oh, no, I think Shelly's
I'm
winning.
still ahead.
I don't
Shell's
know
so
about that. There's some technicalities
I'm destroying
for
both of you.
answers.
I know that
Given.
Orhan is not winning. But don't
After
worry.
all the confidence.
I have a bonus question.
Bonus question.
Yeah, and I think it's really difficult. What baking tool do I own the most of in the How to Cake It kitchen? Shelly?
Wait, does this count as a baking tool?
Yep.
I was going to say a spatula.
Orhan. Wow, that confidence is well placed because Orhan is right.
You weren't joking when you said
No,
98.
No, it
That's
bothers
what I
me
was
that it's not
trusting on.
100. It
Yep.
really bothers me. So I hope I get 2 cake pans for Christmas. The winner of the Year in Review game show with bragging rights for 2019 is Shannon. Here, you win this sequence tree.
Hey!
Well, it's almost as useful as having 98 cake pans. Thanks for playing along, guys. Leave a comment below with how many questions you got right at home. If you bet Shelly, Cody, and Orhan, leave a cake emoji below. And you know what I'm so excited about? Tuesday is the first day of the year. We're gonna start off the year right this year. So please subscribe, become part of the How to Cake It family, and I will see you next year when I won't be wearing this hat again for at least a good 8 months. Yay! Do I have turkey hat head? There.
Okay.